Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your Spotify login issues. To know how to fix or to solve Spotify login issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Spotify here. You will search about it and you can update your app if you find here updating this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.